What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a mid-fade, so stay tuned. We're starting off by combing all his hair into place and laying everything down. Then moving on to our gold FX, creating our first guideline, contouring to his head shape. As you can see, I'm making sure I dip near the occipital bone. Now that we're done balding him out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Using the lever all the way closed and midway will help you erase that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to the one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. You also want to make sure you flick out. With this same guard, we're going to use the lever to soften up the line and get it ready for the half guard. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated, man. Thank you. Now that we're done softening up the line with the lever, we can move on to the half guard and erase the line completely. Moving on to our 2 guard all the way open, we're going to create our 4th guideline and get ready for the 1.5 guard. Remember, you're going to use the lever to soften up the line. Now that the line is soft enough, we can move on to the 1.5 guard and try to erase the line completely. Sometimes there's still a faint line, so moving on to your 1 guard all the way open and using its corners is best. Before we continue to blend in the sides, we're going to debulk the top with the 4 guard all the way closed. Now that the hair is knocked down to a 4 guard all the way closed, we can move on to the 3 guard all the way open and continue to blend the sides. Now I'm using my previous guards like the 2 guard and 1.5 guard to make sure I remove the lines. Always detail. Is very important to detail, especially when you want to make the fade blurry. Now we're moving on to our C cup. I usually start off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch. I feel like that's the most accurate way to get your C cup arch. My client does have a very intense widow's peak, so we are going to debulk with our clipper. If you're a returning viewer, you always know I like to start my lineups in the middle or work my way to the sides, especially if they have a widow's peak. When lining up near the lip area, you want to be very gentle because the teeth could bite the lip. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, leave a comment down below if you made it this far into the video. Moving on to our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, we're going to make them as crispy as possible. We're also going to do his eyebrows. Always make sure you stretch the skin and keep the blade at a 45-degree angle. Also, make sure you use shave gel and reapply when it dries up.